Eliminations Day, Snowbird Outlaw Nationals today. It is a Sunday. You're probably watching this either Sunday night or Monday. I don't know yet, depending on how the internet is for upload. But I want to say thank you everybody for watching the videos. Make sure you hit all the buttons so you don't miss the next one. But today they've got a bunch of cool stuff. They're doing junior dragsters right now, but they've got a bunch of late model cars. Some you would even call them super late model. Old G-bodies, old Novas. We got some cars to watch run now. So I'm excited to see that. And you notice there's no hat on my head because I'm committed to getting another hat. Yeah. Let's go.
Charlie Holbrook goes dead on to the 9, but wins red. So Ryan Norton gets the win lane over. It's going to be disappointed when he gets that 9 or 11.
Eliminations right now. So they're running their elimination rounds now for the pro mods. That black truck you saw earlier wins the win, and it's running good, so I'm sure he's going to do just fine. There's a lot of good stuff out here. at all these cars, man. This is the no time section, the no time class. Man, I'll tell you what, these cars are getting down. Nobody is playing, there's no jokes. It's about that life. It's cool. I like it. It's neat. We're gonna go up there with Maximus and see how the truck runs. He got the first win the first round, so he's on the second round now. So let's see him get that W. There's that W. He was looking for it. He went there and found it. So they said they had one in stock for him. He went ahead and got it.
I swear I did a better like that. That's bad. That's gonna be my ass.
So we're going up for run number 3. First one he got the win. Second one he got the win. That one was close. He said he was like door to door for 3/4 of the track. There's either 3 cars left or 5. I'm not sure. But I know all the ones that were there were all Mustangs. And this being the only GM piece of equipment, you know I'm signed on board. I'm in. All right, look what's going on here. We got Mustang, 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 an F-body, Mustang, Camaro, Camaro. Oh no. Okay, nobody got hurt. Cool.
That was a shot.
So I hope I have on my second camera a clip of that. Some car went down the track, 4 tires off the ground, and crossed the center line at the 8th. So the guy obviously is out. You got Mustangs all behind me. You got one F-body over there. You got the GM truck, and then you got a bunch of other stuff. You got some bikes over there.
So
it's
Team
pretty cool.
Marinas will have a fly to the final once we get our
Everyone's real
blocks.
quiet. Nobody's really talking about anything. They're all kind of like, you know what I mean? So it's interesting.
We just done what the quick man told us to do. We should go ahead and work. Whenever my shit started knocking, I told myself,
Buy one of those anti-polar electric fences for his house up there in Canada now.
No time coming over. No time load up.
You heard him. No time's loading up. So it's that Mustang, this Mustang. These guys are really cool. And the Chevy truck. The guy's got it in him tonight. I don't know what's going on. He's just pointing down power, consistent runs, staying in the groove, staying sticky. He's not playing. He's on to the finals.
$8,000 payout.
The hell you got in that thing, son? You don't need a triple waffle. You don't worry about that, bro. I'll buy you $300 more Taco Bell.
So we're back at the pits and they're already calling. It's like hot lap, hot lap, hot lap. So, and there's people trying to get out because, you know, people are trying to leave and it's the only pit lane. They're calling them now. So we're going to go now.
Good luck.
Y'all too. Y'all too, Mark.
I told him, I said, dude's over there trying to get his truck together. I said, we don't wait on him. I said, run these other places.
Yeah, we like
cool. Yeah.
So it's down to the finals for no time. You got the blue Mustang and you got the black Chevy Maximus right there. Those guys were really cool. I saw a lot of sportsmanship, really good sportsmanship from them. So Pruitt team is there's some gentlemen over there.
Drivers are in the no-time automobiles right now. The pickup truck and the Mustang will be firing up around the corner.
Let's go, baby. Maximus pulled it off. He put the power down. He got it. Over to the winner's circle.
Hell yeah. What up, baby, with cooking? You happy, Pete? Ready for some damn Waffle House, bro? Ready for the Waffle House? Hey, that full Waffle House. We gonna put a lot of money at Waffle House.
When you watch a 3-hour movie,
Damn right. Sweet. Does it feel good, Pete? know what makes me upset though? You ain't got no cameras on the truck. You ain't got no video.
All we got is the people standing behind you video.
I gotta buy more cameras. I got 3 GoPros.
Let's bring it. Denver Tuccio has coming into this round. That is the number that's going to bounce off somebody's head. It's going to bounce.
It's always cosmetics. Is anybody got 1157?
Yep, absolutely. Very easy to ask that kind of question.
Sometimes people. Have you guys already went up and got your money in your check? Nope. Okay. So if you go get your ID and run up to race registration, they got money for you and a big check.
We'll do this first.
No, they want you to check the money first. They want you gotta have your big check and your money in the picture.
And it's an eagle, which is cool.
Alright, we'll have you guys come up a little closer to the truck. Alright, then we're gonna look at this camera first.
There you have it, straight from the winner's circle. I know he's happy. We all had a great time. It was a lot of fun. Make sure you hit the bell, hit all the notifications. That way you don't miss another episode. Until then, we'll see you next time.